So now we're going to take the turbo off. What's up, guys? We've been out here probably about an hour working on this thing again. Making some good progress. Pretty much cleared out there. Everything but the condenser off here. Radiator's out. Radiator hoses are off. The mounts for the radiator are going to be getting powder coated, so those are back in the workshop area.
Did we even film front bumper and all that?
I don't know.
Nope.
Yes, so all that's taken care of. Still got to do the rust repair, obviously, as you can see. At the moment, we are getting ready to take this turbo off. So now we're going to take the turbo off.
I'm not too worried about it all. You want me to pull up on it?
Be ready for it to fall. There we go.
These bolts are kind of long. And there's about like 15 threads. If you need me to wiggle it, just let me know. Like if one of them's sticking. I'm trying to hold it even, but it's not easy from over here.
I'm going to do these three first and then move on to the little one off.
Oh, I took them all the way out. Yes, there's two. About 20. I did it for the cinematic quality.
You ready?
Ouch. Yes.
I wonder if you could tell that I was off.
Yeah, I'm going to try and take it out pretty slow. And just make sure there's nothing intangible. Hopefully people take things out.
Just
I really like pushing down on it. I don't know. I'm probably not even going to know when to break loose.
yeah.
Should I just let it kind of hang?
Yeah, trying
Sorry, did I get you? Oh.
Yeah, there it is. We are free.
Yep, 100%.
Yes, pull off the exhaust. Alright, so turbo's off. It's just stock turbo. It's actually fairly new. So you got stock turbo and O2 housing there. That's enough. Next is the manifold. Next up is turbo manifold. Next up is turbo manifold. So, manifolds off. Pretty much everything is off from the front of the car. That's where we're going to stop for tonight. But I will be back out tomorrow during the day. I'm off work, so I'm going to get some more stuff done tomorrow during the day. Whether or not we come back out tomorrow night after Kyle gets off work is still kind of up in the air. But yeah, going to be a lot of work on this thing real soon. We still got the Evo to do too. We're still working on that over there. And it's crunch time. You know, season's about to start, so it's crunch time. We gotta get to work on this stuff. It did start warming up. We are in Cleveland, Ohio. It is cold during the winter. It is starting to warm up, so we should definitely be able to get out here more. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, I think we got good progress today. Got a whole bunch of parts in here recently, so we'll go over all that stuff relatively soon as well.
Tell them what we have planned for today.
What did we have planned for
Drain
today?
the fluids.
Oh yeah. So our intention today was just to come out and drain the fluids, and instead we pretty much took
And we are 2 hours
everything
later.
apart. So yeah, 2 hours later. But I mean, it needed to be done honestly. So we got a good bit done today. I'm happy with it. So yeah, that's gonna be it for tonight. We're gonna clean up, and I'll pick the camera back up tomorrow. Alright guys, so I was editing this video and realized that I didn't really do a good outro on it. So real quick, I'm just going to go over everything that we did. Obviously we got the wheels off. We got the radiator out, the AC condenser out. The stock intercooler needs to be down there. We already went over the fact that we got the battery out, fuse box moved. The power steering. Did a bunch of research, found out how to eliminate, or not power steering, I'm sorry, cruise control. Did a bunch of research, figured out how to eliminate it. And at this point, I think it's going to be easier for me to put it back. So that's going to be going back there for now. That may change, who knows. We got the turbo manifold off, turbo off, exhaust is off, it's laying underneath the car, all the intercooler piping's off, that's been off for a little bit, so you guys knew about that. Pretty much we stripped out everything that's either going to be replaced or being worked on. AC is fully out, I don't know if I said that, AC is fully out. Condenser, evaporator, all the lines out, so that's done. I did go ahead and start down here on the bottom of the core support, sanding away some rust. So I'm going to finish that up at some point and then repaint that. I'm going to do the tops here. At the same time I do that, I'm going to do this here and all of this. So that'll all get taken care of. We started to figure out what we're going to do with this bolt that's got like the crack around it. Probably just going to like stitch a weld in there if I can. And then of course we got this side with the hole. So that is where we're at right now. I hope I didn't make this intro
Outro.
long. I feel like I've been talking for a little while. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. So we got pile parts over there. All the AC stuff's tucked back there next to the welder. So yeah, that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video if you like it. We are right in the middle of this, I almost called it swine flu, COVID-19, the coronavirus thing. They're talking about shutting down Ohio. That's where we're at. If by chance my job does get shut down, I'm going to try and bring you guys daily uploads. It's going to be hard because it takes me like 3 hours to do these videos, just to edit them, and then doing the work on the car on top of it. It's going to be a lot, but it is my plan to try and do that, as well as just get tons and tons and tons of work done on this in the time that I'm off. So yeah, you might have that to look forward to. We're not sure yet. If you start seeing uploads every day, you'll know it happened. We got shut down and we're not allowed to leave the house. With that said, have a good one.
You called it.